Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm here to talk to you about a new feature inside of Discord, which is the ability to automatically filter your DMs for spam messages, because sometimes people's accounts get compromised and they send you a bunch of spam links for crypto garbage and other stuff like that that tends to just be like a virus that'll get your computer compromised. Well, to help with that, if you go into your user settings and you go under privacy and safety, there is a new setting here called the DM spam filter. Now, mine is set by default to don't filter any messages, but I can set it up to filter messages from non-friends so that they can look through it to see if it's got spam in it. And if it meets any of the criteria for the most common spam, it'll flag it and delete it and not send it to me. And then if you really want to be the safest possible, here under green it says filter all direct messages. All direct messages will be filtered for spam. So if you find yourself getting a lot of spam, if you find yourself with a lot of people that you know getting their accounts periodically compromised and sending you a bunch of spam garbage, now you can set it so that all of your messages get scanned for spammy nonsense and they may be automatically sent to a spam inbox. So if you find you need that, it's right here. You've got 3 different levels of spam filtering: none, just a little bit, and all of it. So I hope that is helpful to everybody out there. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.